Powerful AI systems aren't built all at once. They're assembled from simple pieces that compose cleanly and scale effortlessly without the need for those bloated frameworks. So in episode 3, we're talking about an AI primitive that's quite simple, but it can do a lot, and it's called Parser. It's an AI primitive by Langbase that allows you to extract text from various document formats, whether it's PDFs, CSVs, and many more. It's like giving your AI the ability to look inside documents and pull out the useful parts. So let's build with it. We'll use the Langbase SDK to interact with the Parser API and a sample PDF file. This will take 2 minutes, so let's get started. So create a directory for your project and navigate to it, and then I'm going to create a node.js project by running this command. Then I'm going to install the dependencies and .env to manage environmental variables. Then I'm going to create a .env file in the root of my project and add my Langbase API key in it. Now let's create another file by the name parsepdf.ts. To demonstrate this primitive, I am going to download this sample PDF document from here, which I'll be using in this video tutorial. After downloading that PDF document, I have moved it to my project directory in here. And then in the parsepdf.ts file, I am going to load the environmental variables, import the Langbase SDK so you can use the Langbase API, including the Parser API, then import the file reading tool. This will let you read files like PDFs using the promises, which work really well with the async and await functions. Then after that, I am going to initialize Langbase. This creates a new Langbase client using your API key from the .env file, and after that I'm creating an async function that will read the PDF file with the async const buffer function in it as well. This reads the contents of the PDF file into a buffer so it can be parsed. After that, I am using the langbase.parser AI primitive to parse the document. This sends the file to the Langbase Parsers API, telling it what the file is, the document, the file's name, the document name, and the content type, which is the file type. Langbase will return the extracted text. Then I'm going to print the parsed result, then handling errors. If anything goes wrong, for example, if the file is missing or the API fails, the error will be caught and printed. And in the end, run the function. Let's save this file. Let's now run the script to parse the document by this command npx tsxparse.pdf.ts. And in my terminal, I get the parsed output, which is the document name and the parsed document content. So now you know that Parser makes documents usable for AI. Parser is often the first step in a large agentic pipeline. So an AI agent pipe that extracts content before your model analyzes, classifies, or makes decisions. If you need to understand the sentiment of a long email thread, you can start with Parser. Or if you want to ingest product specifications into a memory, again, you can start with the Parser AI primitive. This was all about the Parser primitives. See you in episode 4 with more AI developer focused tips and tricks. Stay tuned.